Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to add snow to our video. On the timeline I have a video and here we can add a snow. In link into the description you can download footage with snow. I have already downloaded it and added to my project. And now drag it to our timeline, and how you can see, this snow at first is too small for our sequence because my sequence is full HD and our footage is only in HD. So click on footage and in motion scale put to 150. After that, in opacity mode we should choose a blend mode, lighten. And now our clip is ready. Thank you for watching, subscribe to channel and have a nice day.